What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today we got an earnings beat with Fitbit. And I think it's a $5 stock, but with these wearables I'm talking, could be going up higher. Let's get into it. Okay, here we're on the article. Fitbit jumps after earnings and revenue beat. Ticker symbol FIT, F-I-T. Fitbit shares were up 2% in after-hours trading on Wednesday after the company's first quarter results topped expectations. The wearables maker, Fitbit, reported better than expected results, sending shares up 2% in after-hours trading on Wednesday. The company reported a loss of 15 cents a share, better than the 22 cents loss that was anticipated. So they beat. First quarter revenues totaled $272 million, 5% above the $260 million forecast. So they beat on the top and bottom, EPS and revenue. Fitbit has been under increasing pressure as Apple has focused on the space. Yes, they have. Apple's got a pretty good market share when it comes to that. Fitbit shares are down almost 90% from its 2015 highs, which were reached just months after the Apple Watch first shipped to customers in 2015. Well, I'm not going to read any more of this article, but we are going to get into the chart. So I'll be right back with the Thinkorswim platform. Okay, what you see here is the 1-year chart on Fitbit. And as you can see, this orange line represents the 200-day moving average. It's kind of just holding steady in the middle. No real down, no real up. And right here is a trend line from that low. That low was back in October, end of October, I believe. Ever since then, even on the 24th, where everything was pretty much rock bottom, it didn't go down to that low again. So that lets me know, if you watch it, it's over the 200, down, under, comes up, over, down, up, and then, but this was the market right here at that particular time. Now, as after the 24th, it's pretty much been a steady uptrend until here. And then we went back below the 200. And what we're gonna have to watch is see if it can hold this line right here, that trend line down there. See if it can hold it and bounce back up over the 200. What I'd like to see is Fitbit come back over the 200, break through, and basically break out. Their wearables are awesome. I mean, I can't say enough about them. They're simplistic. The price, I think the price is not where it needs to be. If they get the price down, yeah. Let's look at the 180-day chart. I mean, it's made some moves, especially from that low, up 50% to the high. Now let's go take the low to where we're at right now. So right about there. You're looking at roughly 30%. 184 days to get it, but I don't know. Let me know what you think about Fitbit. I know it's a cheaper stock and you see it on Robinhood all the time. But it looks like it could, on this last earnings, looks like it could be moving up. Let me know what you think. Also, in the description below, there's gonna be a link to Robinhood, awesome trading app, 0 fees. There's a link provided below. Use that link. You get a free stock. I get a free stock. It's all good. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. See you in the next video.